Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the build and decorate your dollhouse. This time guys, it is the number 140. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parchinaire. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright, so we have everything out of the plastic, but first thing first, we got this little magazine showing us about the light kit for the house. Let me just open this up. So here's just some advertisement for you to order the light kit. And over here is like a form for you to fill out to get it.
And you will give it to the kiosker, right?
I would imagine.
Wait, basta.
I'm going to show you the back. Alright guys, so now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. Of course in the Victorian style, and this is the number 140 with the dollhouse completed right here. I can't wait to finish it up. It's going to be super awesome. So let's open this up. And here it talks a little bit about a really adorable Christmas house setup. And you'll be able to see it better on the other page. Give me just a sec. And it's cool. They point out all of the different pieces and parts of it. And here it goes on to talk a bit more and show you another shot of the dollhouse. And here it talks about different wooden dollhouse beds without any decoration. So like the just regular wooden ones. And here it talks about Fanny Arthur Robinson, who was a pianist and a music educator and composer. And here it talks a bit more about her. And here we have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once it's completed. And well, now it's time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so now it's time to check out our new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go on Motion down here. I'm just gonna take our cute little bird toy out. There we go. Oh, he's got a little funky hairdo. And little bobble eyes. I think he's kind of cool. What do you think?
Yeah, it's cool.
All bright colored. Okay. I'm gonna put him back down here. And I think this is the most adorable, cutest thing ever. It's a little teddy bear, but I'm gonna take him out. Okay, so here he is, a little tiny teddy bear. He's very, very soft. Let me see if I can't grab him better. There. There's his back. The other side. And he's made out of a very, very soft material.
It's cute.
Which one do you like the best? The teddy bear or the bird?
I like both. They are different, but they have their own coolness. I don't know.
I really like the teddy bear. I think he's cute. The bird is cute too, but I think the teddy bear kind of takes the cake. You guys tell me, which one do you like the best? Do you like the teddy bear or do you like the bird? Tell me down in the comments below. And well, I'm gonna put them back down here. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parchner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings.
Lots of cool stuff, guys.
Yep. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye.